Yeah, hey there, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now in this video I want to talk about how many pips do you need per day in Forex, and secondly, if you're asking that question, why that is the wrong question, and I'm going to explain that in this video. Okay, if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I put out a couple of videos each and every week to help you move forward in your Forex journey. But in this video, I want to talk about how many pips do I need per day, or do you need per day in Forex, okay? Now I'm going to explain that, and I'm going to break it down, and I'm going to explain why I think you're asking the wrong question and what you need to do about it in this video. So let's just put up, we've got a risk to reward tool here, okay? Let's just say we've got 20 pip stop loss and a 20 pip take profit, okay? So we've got a stop loss of 20 pips, take profit of 20 pips here. That is a 1-to-1 trade, okay? I'm hitting the wrong button here. That is a 1-to-1 trade, which means if you risk 1% here, let's just move that out of the way. If you risk 1% here, then your profit is also 1%, okay? So you're risking 1% here with a stop loss of 20 pips to make a profit of 20 pips, which is also the equivalent of 1%. Now let's just say you had the same trade. Let's just move that over that side a little bit. Let's just say you had the same trade here, and let's just move it over so it's out of the way. And let's line up with this one here. So let's just say you had the same 20 pips, 20 pips take profit, and you had 10 pips stop loss, okay? This one here, you've got a risk to reward ratio of 1-to-1, you can see that here. This one here, you've got the same 20 pips take profit, but you've only got a 10 pip stop loss, which means you've got a risk to reward of 1-to-2. So for that same 20 pips, if you're risking 1% here, okay, over here, you're actually making 2% profit. So that is a 1-to-2 risk to reward. So over here, you've got 1% stop loss, 1% take profit. Here, you've got a 1% stop loss, and you've got 2% take profit. Now, if you were to reduce this even more and say, I'll have a stop loss of 5 pips, that changes it again. This is now a 1-to-4, okay? Which means if you risk 1% here, you're going to make 4% here. Now, all of a sudden, as you can see, by minimizing your stop loss, it means you can increase your lot size and actually increase your profits for the same amount of pips. So, you know, like I said, by sort of looking at how many pips you need in a day, you actually need to look at your risk to reward, because pips are completely irrelevant. In my opinion, in Forex, are completely irrelevant, because as you can see, if you can reduce your stop loss, you can increase your profits. You've got 1% risk, 1% take profit over here. Here you've got a 1% risk and a 4% take profit, the exact number of pips. So you just need to bear that in mind. As I say, whether it's 10 pips, 20 pips, 100 pips, whatever your target is, as I say, in my opinion, is completely irrelevant. What you need to be looking at is risk to reward. Risk to reward is what is going to give you the profits that you want, and is what you need to be looking for in your results. So anyway, hope you found this video helpful. As I say, if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I put out a couple of videos each and every week, and I will look forward to talking with you in another video real soon. Take care.